But you know what, Natalie, I want to move on to what I consider one of the most important garments that a woman should have when before or right after she has received her diagnosis, and that is the Hannah, which is the post-surgical garment. Now, my surgeon actually recommended that I have a Hannah, and I packed it in my bag, and I took her with me to the hospital. And I woke up and was ready to leave the hospital. Hannah was on. She was strapped on. And I felt good in Hannah. Okay, I didn't have the puffs in, but I felt good. I felt secure. I felt good. I felt like nothing was going to rub on my incisions. And then it had, I'm going to let you talk about all the benefits. But my little drains were in these pockets, which was amazing, because if I didn't have Hannah, where do I put them? In my jean pocket or in my back pocket? So can you talk about Hannah?
I'm so happy that you had the experience that you did, because unfortunately not every woman does have that experience. Yeah, so very happy and thankful that you had that experience, because again, it doesn't always happen that way. But
right.
This is the Hannah, and it's a post-surgical garment that is meant for immediately after surgery or any kind of breast procedure.
Right.
This is so important because it's a super soft camisole, right? Soothing cotton. Mm-hmm. And when you're following surgery, you do have the drains, and where do you put them if you don't have a post-surgical garment with drain pouches? So a lot of times they're taped on women, and then it's like, what do you do with them afterwards? So this garment has a really nice soft zipper with beautiful soft padding behind it. So nothing is going to be irritating to the skin. This is all super soft and breathable and soothing. And then you have two drain pouches, which look like this, that attach to the inside band. And this is where the drains would go, in here. So you don't have to worry about them being taped to you or what to do with them. So right in the band.
Right.
And then Hannah also comes with two overstuffed puffs. Right. And this is a fiber-filled puff. So you can take some material out, or you can keep it as is. But really, you can work it to your needs. So this is really nice and just helps with symmetry following surgery. Another thing to note, you have front opening toggle clasps. So you don't have to worry about
stretching,
trying to lift your hands or pulling anything down. You can easily do this when you're going through any kind of like procedure following the surgery. Super easy. And then again, the front opening zipper.
Right. Now I know I had 18 lymph nodes removed, so it was hard for me to reach. So these snaps at the top were very instrumental, and just slipping it on, and also the zipper, just slipping it on, and then just letting it fall across my shoulders, and attaching it, since I didn't have that reach.
Yeah, and it takes a while too. So and this is something that can be worn up to, like, you'll maybe possibly wear it up to 6 weeks, but typically after 6 weeks, then you can come in for your breast prosthesis and your fitting for bras. But yeah, this is so important. So if anyone can come in prior to surgery and get fit, then just like Dana did, she was able to bring it with her and leave the hospital in this garment. So important.
Yeah, before COVID-19, that was on my list to go around to the nurse coordinators as well as the doctors
Yep.
and talk about the importance of making sure that their patients came in and got their post-surgical Camisole before surgery, because it really does help on your road to recovery. And also, this can be worn with your regular shirt on top of it. So when I was ready to go out and go shopping or whatever, I just put this on and then put my shirt over it. No one even knows. And then I use the puffs. So, it looked like, I had a chest there. My drain, they had to come right along with me, but they were hugged tight in my little pouch. So no one knew I had a secret. No one knew that I had a secret when I was out in the street.
That's right.
So, and then another thing, Natalie, now these come in different sizes than the breast cup and band size. Is that correct?
Yes, so extra small through 4XL, which is really nice. And then we do half sizes on the cup sizes. So it's an AB or a CD.
Okay.
Yeah. So lots and lots of options. Yeah.
Okay.
For everyone.
For everyone, yeah.